Can I just make one comment before we read the thing? मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि if we don't address this issue today, we're going to lose out on a lot. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, why is it ये फोन उधर रख दो, इस फोन को उधर रखो, फोन को उधर रख के बात करो, इधर आ जाओ, उधर बात करो, ये क्या हो रहा है? What sort of a culture are we running here? इस कमरे में नहीं बैठो, उस कमरे में बाहर निकल के बात करो, ये कोई सुन लेगा, फोन कुछ हो जाएगा. Is this a state? What kind of a state are we running? That I have to put my phone away, I cannot talk to anybody, इस कमरे में कुछ हो सकता है, उस कमरे में कुछ हो सकता है. What kind of a culture is this? So now that the case is there, let's sort these issues out. I mean, what kind of culture is this that I'm scared all the time that somebody's recording me, somebody's watching me? What is this? So do we read and आप पढ़े ना वो 1984 George Orwell का The Big Brother is watching? What is going on? I mean, let's sort these issues out.
Everyone has become very fearful. Can I on a lighter note, I was talking on the phone, this was not now, before, much before. Someone said, oh, your phone will be tapped. I said, I hope so they can hear what I'm saying and they reproduce it exactly. So, आप आगे बढ़ें, let's finish this. We can let's reserve our comments.
High Court का मैं complete कर दूँ, Lahore का फिर then I move.
Let's go through all the judges first.
Page 13 पे now I read, it is hoped, it's from fourth line, just to complete it. जी Lahore का बस ये last paragraph है. It is hoped that the final verdict by the Supreme Court would go a long way to protect and uphold the constitutional principle of trichotomy of power by ensuring free and independent functioning of each institution organ of the state. It is also expected that the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan in its final judgment may outline a mechanism for redressal of individual grievances of the judges of the High Courts and the District Judiciary regarding any approach by the executive agencies in case such grievance is not being redressed at the local institutional level. In the proceedings undertaken by the Honorable Supreme Court, we hope that effective mechanisms may be put in place, preferably through statutory underpinning, which define and lay out in clear terms the parameters and scope of every aspect of the intelligence agencies and bring their activities under legislative and democratic control and oversight. Similarly, a meaningful system of accountability to redress complaints may also be established.
The Lahore High Court has not come with complete truth, I think so.
Come with?
Complete truth. Interference की बात तो वो कर रहे हैं, खुल के नहीं कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, इनके साथ एक वो लोअर जुडिशरी ने भी कुछ recommendations दिए.
That is very important actually, my lord has rightly pointed out. अगर आप वो district judiciary की suggestions देखें ना,
जी sir, it's page 15.
Very meaningful.
Page 15.
That's right. Summarize the whole thing.
ये खुद नहीं कर सकते. जी सर, ये खुद सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Why they are asking for the permission of the Supreme Court?
अच्छा, ये मैं इसका I'll just also add to that. In the 76 years of our history, do you think district judiciary can ever write this letter to the Chief Justice of their High Court?
No, sir.
Can they ever write this letter? This is because of this case that they have mustered courage to come up with this letter and written to their Chief Justice. मैंने तो आज तक I was the Chief Justice of Lahore High Court, कभी लिख ही नहीं सकते वो Chief Justice को letter. So this is strengthening the judiciary. This bench and this suo motu proceedings are doing wonders. This letter could not have been placed on the record by the district judiciary to the High Court ever.
I think maybe there was a more intimidatory environment in Lahore because in Balochistan, at least we were very democratic and we would encourage any sort of correspondence. However, I find this letter
written... culture inclusive है पंजाब.
I don't know. हमें तो बड़े लोग हम तो बैठ जोड़ के बात करते थे. और ये जो एक्चुअली इन्होंने जितनी बातें की हैं, मतलब सारी नहीं, बहुत सारी इनमें से प्रैक्टिकल बातें की हैं.